Hello viewers, welcome to Arman's Knowledge. Guys, this is my first tutorial ever in which I am speaking and I am sharing with you information about Windows 10 that I know. Me, Bismillah Arman, I have brought the best Microsoft Store apps for you for Windows 10. Windows 10's Microsoft Store has several good apps. However, it is not that easy to find good apps, especially if you don't know what to look for. I blame that on the horrible search feature and lack of proper visibility for good apps in the store. So here is a list of some of the best apps I found in my daily usage. The first one is Quick Look. Quick Look enables a very quick preview of file contents by pressing spacebar. But a point to be noted is this app does not work on Windows 10 S devices. The shortcut for Quick Look is just select a file and press the spacebar. It will show you a preview of that file. And if you want to close that file preview, just press again the spacebar and it will close the preview of that file. The next one is Ditto Clipboard. Ditto is an extension to the standard Windows clipboard. It saves each time it placed on the clipboard, allowing you access to any of those items at a later time. Ditto allows you to save any time of information that can be put on the clipboard. Text, images, HTML, custom formats, etc. The next one is Airplane View. Airplane View is a very good, fast, compact and innovative freeware image viewer converter for Windows. Airplane View is fast and small with extremely low system resources requirements. It is trying to be simple for beginners and powerful for professionals. The next one is MyTube. MyTube is an app similar to YouTube. You will not get a YouTube experience like this anywhere else. Enjoy your favorite content to the fullest in this beautifully animated feature-packed YouTube. You can watch the 4K, Full HD and other formats of videos in MyTube. The next one is OneNote. OneNote is a digital notebook for capturing and organizing everything across your devices. Jot down your ideas, keep track of classroom and meeting notes, clip from the web or make to-do list, as well as draw and sketch your ideas with the OneNote. Next is Evernote. Evernote is an app to capture ideas and when inspiration strikes. Find information fast, share notes with anyone from meetings and projects to web pages and to-do lists with Evernote. Everything is in one place. Next one is OneDrive. OneDrive lets you access and edit your files from all your devices anywhere. Use this Windows app to access and share your files from your Windows devices such as Xbox, Surface app or HoloLens. The OneDrive app for Windows 10 allows you to work with both your personal and work files easily. The next one is Dropbox. Dropbox brings your cloud content and traditional files together with the tools you love. It is the same as OneDrive. It is similar to OneDrive, so you can be organized, stay focused and get in sync with your team. With all your files organized in one central place, you can safely sync them across all your devices. Next one is ShareX. ShareX is a screen recorder. Is a free and open source program that lets you capture or record any area of your screen and share it with a single press of key. It also allows uploading images, text or other types of files to our AT supported destination. You can choose them. The next one is Horrible. Horrible is an app your amazing company and home to unmatched selection of audiobooks. And now Amazon Prime is Audible members also have access to Audible channels offering unlimited listening to original series and handcrafted playlists for every interest. Turn any video into story time. Listen to your favorite stories anywhere on your Windows 10 desktop, tablet and phone. Speed through your commute with a thriller, fill your next training session with facts, find yourself transported into a realm of romance and intrigue. While your carpet gets cleaner than ever before, when with Audible the possibilities are endless. So guys, these were the best apps. I've tried my best to find these apps for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Just subscribe and get the similar videos as these.